Привет, друзья! Your Russian teacher Olisiia is here again. Imagine, you wake up in Russia. It's a new day, and you say, Доброе утро. Доброе утро. This means good morning. You don't say it only to people. You can say it to yourself too. You leave your apartment and go outside. You see your Russian friend. She smiles and says, Привет, привет. You answer, Привет. It's informal, friendly, and natural. Your friend looks at you and asks, Как дела? Как дела? You already know this question. It means, how are you? You think for a second and say, Хорошо. Хорошо. That means good. Then you ask her, А у тебя? А у тебя? This phrase is very useful. А у тебя means and you? And she answers, Тоже хорошо. Тоже хорошо. Тоже means too. So, тоже хорошо, also good. You look around and say, Здесь красиво. Здесь красиво. That means it's beautiful here. Your friend smiles. She says, Да. Just да. Yes, one word is enough. Now you feel hungry. You say, Я хочу кофе. Я хочу кофе. That means I want coffee. Your friend says, Хорошо, пойдем в кафе. Хорошо, пойдем в кафе. Пойдем means let's go. You don't need to change the word. You just say пойдем. You enter a cafe. A waiter comes to you. You say Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. It's formal and polite. The waiter asks, Что будете? Что будете? What do you want? You don't understand every word, but that's okay. You answer with what you know. Кофе, пожалуйста. Кофе, пожалуйста. Coffee, please. Perfect. The waiter brings coffee. You say, Спасибо. Спасибо. He answers, Пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. Everything works. You're proud. You taste the coffee. You smile and say, Вкусно. Вкусно. Вкусно means tasty or delicious. Your friend laughs and says, Да, очень вкусно. Да, очень вкусно. Очень means very, so очень вкусно, very tasty. Now your friend looks at you and asks, Тебе нравится Россия? Тебе нравится Россия? This means, do you like Russia? The verb нравится means to like. You think for a moment and say, Да, мне нравится Россия. Yes, I like Russia. Your friend looks happy. She asks, Ты уже немного говоришь по-русски? Ты уже немного говоришь по-русски? You hear the word русский, Russian. You understand the idea. You answer honestly. Немного. Немного. Немного means a little. You can use this word everywhere. Your friend says, Ничего, все будет хорошо. Ничего, все будет хорошо. This is a very Russian phrase. Все будет хорошо means everything will be fine. You smile. You like this phrase. Ничего means never mind. Later, it's time to go. You stand up and say, Пора идти. That means it's time to go. Пора идти. You look at your friend and say, Спасибо. Спасибо. Thank you for the coffee, for the help, and for the day. She answers, Пожалуйста. You're welcome. You say, До свидания. До свидания. She smiles and says, Пока. Увидимся. Bye. See you. Пока. Увидимся. You walk home slowly, you think, yesterday I knew nothing. Today I can talk. Not perfectly, but enough. And you will learn more on the next lesson. Пока-пока!